Nginababhijane obhale ngophondo kaSigcawu, Zulu omnyama undlela zimhlophe, ninabeqhawe ilembe leqamanya amalembe ngokukhalipha. Siyazi Zulu ukuthi lesizwe sakhiwa ngobuhlakani nangey'khwepha zobabamkhulu. Siyazi ukuthi ukugcina lo mlando omuhle kanje wesizwe sikaZulu nokugcina uZulu uhlangene nale mvunulo enhle kanje kaZulu namasiko amahle akubanga lula. AmaNgisi azama ahluleka ukuhlukanisa ukuqeda ngoZulu. Wafika nohulumeni wamaBhunu wahluleka. Ngithe ngibuka iy'ndaba izolo ebusuku ku-News Afrika, ngathola ukuthi ezinye izizwe ziyabuza ukuthi ingane engathi isizwe samaZulu isona uhulumeni asihloniphayo asihloniphayo nasinika iy'nsiza ey'ningi ukuqhathaniswa nezinye izizwe. Lokhu bengihlezi ngikuzwa ekusho umntwana waphinde angene, kodwa bengingakunaki. Kepha manje sekungifikisela ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngibonge iqhaza labantu abanye abaqhubekayo nokuqhakambisa into yakaZulu, abaqhakambisa amasiko. Ngisho iy'nsizwa ey'njengongizwe Mchunu, untomba zimqomanga ngoba zimdabukela, zamqomanga ngoba zimthanda. Kube umfanakithi walitshadleza ubuhle bukaZulu, bemvunulo yakaZulu, amahubo kaZulu, imikhosi nemigidi yakaZulu yonke. Nabanye nabaculi bamaskandi, besicathamiya, nabasakazi abanjengobhodloza Nzimande, kukhulu kakhulu abasenzele khona njengesizwe ukuthi siy'thande, sizazi ukuthi sisukaphi. Asigqugquzeleni ney'ngane zethu ukuthi sizazi. Ngicela ukubuka ukuthi bekwenzakalani izolo ebusuku.
There's been discrepancies on how traditional leaders are treated in the country. Hence, the chief next to me is saying that we ought to look at standardization and uniformity so that we come closer to the equal treatment of traditional leaders. And what is happening in KZN, if I may also touch into that, as he says, is a very good example of how we should be doing things. Yeah. And we are not complaining on the treatment which is given to the kingship of KZN. Yeah. All what we are saying is that we are a unitary state. Yeah. And
but the question would arise and say, well, KZN is a particular province with a...
Ngoba uyizwele kuyishwa-ke ukuthi bebekhuluma ngesiLungu, kodwa abakushoyo ukuthi indlela amakhosi aphathwa ngayo la esifundazweni saKwaZulu Natal la kwaZulu, bafisa ukuthi kuzo zonke iy'fundazwe aphathwe kanjalo. Bafisa ukuthi indlela izinto ezenziwa ngayo la zamasiko nakwezinye iy'ndawo zenziwa.
To just come in here and give us a sense of the history of how it comes about that I suppose where we are sitting now, KwaZulu Natal is the only one being allocated an annual budget to the royal household at this particular point, as many are suggesting. Others are saying in response to that, well, it's part of what was negotiated in CODESA in 1990, and there were no other recognized kingdoms at the time, and the Zulu kingdom was the only one that was recognized. Is that the correct history?
It is true, my man. It was the settlement of the negotiations that was happening before the election. So I think people made a mistake to other parties and their leaders. You remember that when Dr. Kennedy was leading KZN, he refused to go to the national election because he said they must first recognize the king. Fortunately, we've got Isilo, we've got Amakos, we've got Israel. I think the way Dr. Kelly managed to structure everything, it makes it easy for Shapo Commission to recognize Isilo because they did follow the process. They did go to Shapo Commission and everything was approved. I think it's where the beginning of the thing came from, my man.
Yeah.
If other tribes did manage to speak about their king, maybe it was going to be easy. Unfortunately, they didn't take care of their king. It's where the problem begins.
A meeting on Sunday, the 17th of April, to contest the elections at the national and provincial levels if amendments to the constitution could be made to secure the kingdom of KwaZulu and the future of His Majesty the King of the Zulus as a constitutional monarch.
General government is out of touch with the reality of rural existence. Policies are formulated in ivory towers in Pretoria that have little or no relevance to the people on the ground.